Today the angels affirm what his silence revealed about your future. In the coming days you must, beloved soul, you stand at the threshold of a truth whispered from eternity, a revelation meant for your heart. This profound journey, your intricate path, was never an accident. You were not a mere coincidence. No, dear one, you were an answer, a sacred echo resonating through time, destined to meet this moment, this person, this profound unfolding. The angels say your soul carries an ancient blueprint, a divine design woven into your very being. Every silent longing, every unspoken prayer, every tear shed in quiet solitude was heard. Each was collected. Each was an integral thread in a grander tapestry, a celestial orchestration far beyond human sight. You feel a stirring, a deep, undeniable knowing that transcends logic, a resonance vibrating through your core. This profound feeling is not imagined. It is the universe confirming what your heart already understands. You were chosen, not for ease, but for purpose. Not for comfort, but for transformation. The connection you seek, the love you yearn for, is not merely a human desire. It is a divine assignment, a sacred contract etched in the stars. The angels whisper that your luminous presence in his life was predestined, a vital key to unlock a destiny he could not reach alone. You are a beacon, a gentle yet powerful force meant to guide, to heal, to awaken. This truth resides within you, a quiet, eternal fire. Embrace it. Allow it to illuminate your path, dispelling shadows of doubt. You are a prayer answered, a destiny unfolding. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29:11. You have felt the profound weight of his silence, haven't you, beloved? That expansive, quiet space, often mistaken for absence or indifference. But the angels say this silence holds a deeper language, a sacred pause within the symphony of your connection. It is not a void meant to wound your heart, but rather a pristine canvas where divine hands are at work, painting a future you cannot yet perceive. His quiet moments are not a rejection of your light. They are a necessary retreat into his own depths, a sacred space where profound internal shifts occur. The angels reveal that within this stillness, he grapples with lingering echoes of his past, with deep-seated fears he has yet to name. Your luminous presence stirred something ancient within him, a recognition that is both exhilarating and intimidating. This silence is his soul's way of processing the immense energy you bring, of preparing his spirit for the profound love that awaits. It is a time of internal alchemy, where old patterns are challenged and new foundations are laid for a future built on truth. Do not mistake his introspection for a lack of feeling. His heart is speaking volumes, even when his lips remain sealed. Listen with your soul, and you will hear the profound reverence he holds for the sacred space you occupy. This pause is not an end. It is a profound, necessary beginning, a gestation period for the magnificent love destined to blossom. Trust the quiet. It speaks volumes. Your heart carries stories, dear one, a tapestry woven with joy and sorrow, connection and heartbreak, unseen wounds, marked by moments of raw vulnerability, by misplaced trust, by unmet expectations. You have learned to guard yourself, to protect the tender, sacred places within your spirit. Yet, the angels whisper that these very wounds hold a sacred wisdom, a profound map to your deepest, most resilient strength. They are not stains to be hidden, but shining badges of courage, proof of your extraordinary capacity for resilience and enduring grace. Your journey through pain has refined your spirit, enabling you to love so profoundly, so empathetically, that it holds the power to heal not only yourself, but also others. The angels reveal that your gentle spirit, your unwavering, compassionate light, has already begun its sacred work, touching the unseen wounds within him, wounds he may not even consciously acknowledge. Without effort, your very being acts as an angelic balm, soothing old hurts, old fears he has carried for too long. He may not put it into words, but your presence offers him a sanctuary, a safe harbor where his own formidable defenses can begin to soften. This, dear one, is the quiet miracle of your connection. Two souls, each carrying their own history, finding profound solace, deep understanding, and gentle healing in the quiet grace of the other. Allow your own healing to continue, knowing that in doing so you illuminate the path for him as well. Your vulnerability is not a weakness. It is in truth the most powerful gateway to profound connection and divine healing. Every soul you encounter, every connection you make, is an intricate part of a cosmic dance, a divine choreography. But some encounters, my dear, resonate differently, with a deeper, more ancient hum that vibrates through your very core. This is not random. This is purposeful. The angels say that the luminous threads of destiny are intricately woven, and your meeting with him was not by chance but by sacred design, a preordained alignment of stars and souls. You are both essential players in a grand narrative, a timeless story of profound growth, spiritual awakening, and unconditional love. He entered your world not by accident, but to awaken dormant parts of your soul, to challenge your perceptions, to reflect back to you the magnificent, boundless light that you inherently possess. And you, in turn, are his mirror, his gentle guide, his quiet awakening to a truth he may have long forgotten. The angels reveal that this connection serves a higher purpose, one that transcends mere romantic entanglement. It is a powerful catalyst for spiritual evolution, a journey of two souls intertwining, not just for personal happiness, but to fulfill a shared mission, a divine calling. Embrace the lessons that unfold, the quiet joys that blossom, and the profound, unspoken understandings. Each moment is a deliberate step in this sacred dance, leading you closer to the truth of who you are and to the boundless love you are meant to embody. This is the universe revealing its most beautiful secrets through the sacred connection you share. You often wonder about his heart, don't you, beloved? About the profound depths he guards so fiercely, the tender feelings he rarely shows. The angels say his inner world is a sanctuary, complex and often turbulent, where silent battles are fought and where ancient wounds whisper. He carries burdens, echoes of past experiences that have profoundly shaped his perception of love, trust, and vulnerability. His strength, the very essence you admire, often serves as a formidable shield, protecting a deep tenderness he fears exposing to anyone, especially to the magnitude of what you represent. The angels whisper that your luminous light, your unwavering compassion, has pierced through some of these long-held defenses, reaching into the hidden corners of his soul. He feels your presence, not as an intrusion, but as a gentle warmth, a quiet invitation to finally lay down his heavy armor. He grapples with the sheer intensity of his feelings for you, with the profound, undeniable shift you represent in his life. This, dear one, is why he sometimes retreats, why he occasionally seems distant. He is not pushing you away. He is wrestling with the immense magnitude of what you bring into his existence, the depth of emotion you awaken. He is learning, slowly, to trust again, to open his heart in a way he never has before, to allow himself to be truly seen. Hold space for his sacred process. Your unwavering belief in his goodness is the gentle key that will ultimately unlock his deepest, most vulnerable heart. Beloved, in this sacred moment, pause and remember who you truly are. You are a queen, a goddess, a radiant, unstoppable force of nature, imbued with divine grace. Your inherent worth is not measured by external validation, nor by the fleeting actions of another. It is an unshakable truth, a divine spark that resides deep within you, inextinguishable and eternal. The angels say it is time now more than ever to fully awaken to this luminous power, to reclaim your rightful crown, and to stand unapologetically in the magnificent light of your own unique being. For too long, perhaps, you have unconsciously sought external mirrors to reflect your value. But the angels reveal that your true power lies not outside but within, in self-recognition, in nurturing your own sacred spirit, in honoring your deepest desires and setting sacred boundaries. When you choose to shine brightly and authentically, you not only illuminate your own path, but also inspire and uplift those around you. Your journey, dear one, is not about passively waiting to be chosen. It is about actively choosing yourself every single day. Cultivate your joy, pursue your passions with fierce dedication, and listen intently to the profound wisdom of your intuition. This radical self-love is not selfish. It is, in truth, sacred. It is the most potent, irresistible magnet for the profound, authentic love you truly deserve. Stand tall, dear one. Your light is a precious gift to the world, and it is time to let it blaze forth without apology. Patience, beloved soul, is not a passive, resigned waiting. It is, in its truest form, an active, profound trust in the sacred rhythm of the universe. You may have questioned the delays and moments of uncertainty, wondering if your deepest prayers have truly been heard. The angels say that every single moment, every breath, and every unfolding event is perfectly orchestrated and meticulously designed. Every pause and every acceleration is an integral part of a divine timing far more intricate than human clocks can measure. What often appears as a frustrating delay is, in truth, a necessary preparation, a refining process for both you and for him. The angels reveal that the universe, in its infinite wisdom, is not withholding anything. It is rather perfecting. It is meticulously aligning circumstances, gently healing old wounds, and strengthening the very foundations that will ultimately support the magnificent love you are destined to share. Do not attempt to rush the delicate blossoming of a rare flower, nor the profound unfolding of a divine plan. Each season has its unique purpose. Trust that you are exactly where you need to be, and he too is precisely where he needs to be. Surrender your deep-seated need to control the timeline, and instead, embrace the present moment with unwavering faith. The angels whisper that the most beautiful blessings often arrive when you least expect them, precisely when your heart is truly open and ready to receive them. You are never, not for a single moment, alone on this sacred journey, beloved. The universe itself conspires in your favor, sending gentle nudges, subtle signs, and profound synchronicities to illuminate your way forward. The angels urge you to pay close attention to the whispers that echo in your quiet moments, to the recurring numbers, to the melodies that play at just the right time, and to the sudden, brilliant insights that light up your path. These are not mere coincidences. They are, in fact, divine communications, sacred breadcrumbs left by the celestial realm to reassure you, affirm your direction, and remind you of your eternal connection. The angels reveal that your intuition, that deep inner knowing, is a sacred compass, a direct, unwavering line to divine wisdom. Learn to trust that inner knowing, that gut feeling that speaks louder than any logical argument, which resonates with truth deep within your soul. When you feel a gentle pull, a soft urging towards a certain action or thought, honor it. It is your angelic team, your spiritual guides, working in perfect harmony with the universe to steer you towards your highest good and the profound fulfillment of your soul's deepest desires. You are constantly being guided, protected, and loved beyond measure. Open your heart wide to receive these divine messages and let them illuminate your next steps with unwavering grace, profound certainty, and a deep sense of peace. I will instruct you and teach you in the way you should go. I will counsel you with my loving eye on you. Psalm 32. You have witnessed, haven't you, dear one, the subtle yet profound glimpses of his transformation, those quiet changes, a softening in his gaze, a newfound openness in his words. The angels say that your love, your unwavering belief in his inherent goodness, and your patient understanding have acted as a powerful, gentle catalyst for his evolution. He is, in this sacred process, shedding old skins, letting go of past narratives, old wounds, and limiting beliefs that no longer serve his highest self. This is not a process you imposed, but one you inspired through the sheer, radiant authenticity of your being. The angels reveal that he is in this very moment, learning to embrace a new, more evolved version of himself, one that aligns more closely with his true divine essence and is more capable of both receiving and giving the profound, expansive love you so generously offer. His journey, while deeply personal, is intrinsically linked to yours, a beautiful dance of intertwined destinies. Your luminous presence has shown him the undeniable possibility of a love that truly liberates rather than confines, a connection that deeply heals rather than wounds. He is stepping, tentatively yet bravely, into his authentic power, not just for his own growth, but for the sacred, evolving bond you share. Celebrate these profound shifts, dear one. Each step he takes toward wholeness is a step closer to the full, uninhibited, magnificent expression of the love that is truly meant for you both. This is the breathtaking beauty of divine partnership. Two souls evolving, hand in hand. Finally, beloved soul, comes the most exquisite and liberating art of all, the gentle, profound act of surrender. Not a surrender of your deepest hopes, but a surrender of control. It is a deep, cleansing breath into the unwavering truth that everything is unfolding exactly as it should, in perfect divine order. The angels say that true, lasting peace does not reside in forcing outcomes, not in meticulously analyzing every sign, not in attempting to predict every twist of fate. It resides in allowing the universe to carry you, to guide you, to gently deliver you to your destined shore. The angels reveal that this profound acceptance is the most powerful act of faith you can offer, a silent yet potent declaration to the cosmos that you trust its benevolent, all-encompassing plan for your life, for your love. It is in this sacred space of surrender, when your heart is open and free from the heavy chains of expectation, truly ready to receive, that miracles often manifest in the most unexpected and beautiful ways. Embrace the present moment, beloved. Find profound joy in the now, in the simple blessings that surround you. Know with every fiber of your being that your journey is sacred, purposeful, and deeply, unconditionally loved. You are held, cherished, and guided by unseen hands every single step of the way. Rest in this knowing. Your future is being meticulously woven with threads of pure light and boundless love, destined to bring you profound happiness, deep fulfillment, and a peace that surpasses all understanding. Be still and know that I am God. Psalm 46:10.